For anyone needing to breathe new life into their HP Elitebook 840G7, G8, or 745, this replacement palm rest and keyboard assembly could be a lifesaver. This isn't just some generic part. It's a 100% original, brand new unit, which is a huge plus. You're getting the exact same quality and feel as the original keyboard and palm rest that came with your laptop. The assembly includes the uppercase palm rest and a US layout backlit keyboard. The backlit feature is fantastic, especially for those who work in low-light conditions. The keys are responsive and offer a comfortable typing experience, closely mimicking the original's feel. Installation is relatively straightforward, but it's always recommended to consult a professional if you're not comfortable disassembling your laptop. There are plenty of online tutorials available that can guide you through the process step by step. Just be sure to take your time and handle the delicate components with care. The part numbers to look for are M07090-001 and M36312-001. Ensuring you have the correct part number is crucial for compatibility. This replacement part is specifically designed for the HP Elitebook 840G7, G8, and 745 models, guaranteeing a perfect fit and seamless integration. If your original palm rest is worn out, scratched, or damaged, this replacement will make your laptop look and feel brand new again. The new palm rest provides a clean and professional appearance, while the new keyboard ensures smooth and accurate typing. It's a worthwhile investment to extend the life of your HP Elitebook.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.